This is awesome. So check out the flexible flashlight. So by Striker. Basically what this is it's a flashlight, right? But it's flexible and it also has a solar power on it. Solar panel on it. I'm really excited about this. Having something around the campsite, in your home. Again, they've got some really cool kind of like use cases here, right? So campsite, of course, emergency preparedness. I think this is awesome. And then of course, like if you're working or, trying to get into a crawl space or something like that, this is a great product to have. So it does produce multiple different types of light: spotlight, floodlight, red light, strobe light, up to 360 degrees of lighting, which is super cool. It's got a magnetic base, hanging hook, flexible panel, and of course, as I said before, a solar panel. So it gets up to 500 lumens. So this thing's gonna be pretty bright. And it's also weather resistant, which is really exciting. I am really excited to open this up and give it a shot. So let's go ahead and open this and try bending it. So here you have it. That's so cool. So you got a hook there. There's your solar panel. There we have charging for that. Let's see if this might not be charged right now. So, oh, it is. Ooh, should use this for some video. So the different modes. There's that. So again, if I wanted to like bend this, have light going in a bunch of different directions. That is so interesting, so cool. I've literally never seen anything like this before. Hit the mode button again, it's a little dimmer. There's a red light, so this is for, what do they call it? It's for inner night vision LED lights, they call it. So super cool. And then you got some magnets here if you want to like attach this to something that it's great. And plus it's got this like, not a sticky surface per se, but it definitely will support it from like not sliding all over the place. Ooh. And of course, if you want to like use this to, let's say you are in a car accident or you get a flat tire and you want to put that on the road to let people know that you're there, you can. But there you have it, guys. This is the FLEXiT Solar, and I'm really excited to take this bad boy camping and see how it goes. Well, hope you enjoy this as much as I do, and I'll see you on the next one.